You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this, say, city or town in Denmark. We'll be looking at how to say more famous places also. So in Danish it's said as Nyhawn, Nyhawn, Nyhawn. So the problem is that there is no U sound in English, so English speakers tend to say it as Nyhawn, 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 if you can pronounce it, Nyhawn. And now you know. More videos over here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.